I have a Honda EU3000 generator that is running rough. I just replaced the spark plug.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Honda generator? How old is it?
I changed the oil and plug a week ago. Generator is about 4 years old and used regularly.
How long has this been going on with your Honda generator? What have you tried so far?
Hasn't been running as smoothly as it should for quite some time. I replaced the plug about 6 months ago hoping that it would run better, but it ran the same. Replaced the plug last week and now it is running worse.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Could be that I didn't install the plug correctly. Too tight or too loose. Maybe cap not on right. Don't know.
Hello, my name is. I am going to assist you with this. When you say that the unit is running rough, can you please elaborate on that? Is it surging, constantly speeding up and slowing down, missing, backfiring?
Hi Hank, more like missing. I did a better job of putting the cap on the plug and it is running better now. Taking it in Tuesday to be serviced. It's been used a lot in the last 4 years and I suspect the carb needs attention. Thanks for your reply.
Yes, the carb probably needs some attention, and so do the valves if it has quite a few hours on it.
Okay TKS.
Not a problem. Thank you for using JustAnswer, and please take a moment to rate my assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.